Jones. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing Freetress Mazo curl, 18 inches, the color number 2. So if you're interested in checking out that video, keep on watching. But first, we have a word from our sponsor, which is Merit Beauty. Okay guys, so today's video is brought to you by Merit Beauty, and Merit Beauty is a beauty company that takes a holistic approach to clean. They create products that are safe for the skin, for your body, and for the planet. So y'all know when I finish a crochet install, I gotta look cute. So right here, I'm just going in with their brow pomade, and this is the color brown. And then I went in with their Day Glow highlighting balm in the color soft gold. I put it on my eyelids, and I also highlighted my cheekbones, but I would not recommend putting it on your eyelids. I did have to go in and set it, but don't do that. And then I finished up with their signature lip in berry brown. They also have mascara, brushes, and tinted lip oils, and they're a part of Clean at Sephora in select stores in the US and in Canada. This is me just highlighting my nose. And then y'all look at the packaging of the lipstick. It is so cute. And like I said, I got it in the color berry brown. It was so cute. It goes on so smooth. It didn't irritate my skin. Like, they say their products are clean, and they are clean. I love it. So this is just me putting on the lip, and this is the finished look. And then I added lashes and everything like that. But yeah, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the crochet portion of the video. And a huge shout out to Merit Beauty for sending me these products for review. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I love this hair. It smells amazing. The install was so freaking easy. I was flying through my invisible part. That's the one I always struggle with, and it was just like, y'all, this hair is so light. It's so fluffy. It is just freaking amazing. I might end up cutting it because y'all know it's getting hot. Today is pretty cool, so I'm gonna keep it for today. But you guys, look at this. I love this hair so much. I'm gonna try some colors since it's summer, but I'm also doing a braid, twist, and lock, like a summer series for protective styles like that. So y'all guys, if y'all interested in seeing that, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, this is like, look at this. Here's an up close of the curl. So cute. It didn't get ridiculously tangled. Like, look, so cute, right? I love this. So you guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in seeing more crochet videos, don't forget to check out my other ones. And you gotta subscribe to keep up with your girl. Also, don't forget to check out Merit Beauty. I'm wearing a lipstick. I put on their highlighter for my eyeshadow, and I also highlighted my cheeks as well. So all the information I will have linked down in the description box so you guys can check it out. But yes, look at the lipstick, so cute. But you guys, don't forget to check them out. And yeah, you guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.